and ocean spy action, and car chase spy action, and biplane spy action. So there's a lot in one. So that's why story will be going. Need to go ocean and need some reason, and need to ride on biplane, and so need some reason. So it have some, need to connect these things by a story. So it can be too much story things going on. Because too many things going on. So I can understand both way. It's fun, but some people might feel it too much things. And actually, it's 3 hours. It's too much. So I can understand like positive and negative ideas. And move on to performance and story theme. And Tom Cruise, he has so much history in Mission Impossible, so he's getting old, but he runs a lot. And when I see Tom Cruise running, oh, that's nice. I really like that. So, performance and action, really great. I'm not sure how people feel about that. I really like that Tom Cruise action. I did not check out the other people's reaction to that, so but I really liked really great action and nice editing and angles, high quality. That it's Mission Impossible produced by Tom Cruise. That's why he can make the great